Okay, here's chapter 4, question 15. We're solving the log equation for log base 3 of x equals negative log base 3 of 16. Now, since we have a log on each side, we can use the golden rule and get rid of the log on each side, but not until we've kind of written them as what's considered a single logarithm. I mean, they are kind of single logarithms on each side. The thing that I'm talking about is that power that's out front. So if we rewrite it as log base 3x to the 4 and log base 3 16 to the negative 1. Now we have a log base 3 on each side without anything else in the way, no other coefficients or negatives or anything else. If there were other logarithms that we could put together as single logarithms, we should do that too. And then, boop, boop. So now we have x to the 4 equals 16 to the negative 1. And 16 to the negative 1 means 1 over 16. So then x would be the 4th root of 1 over 16. And anytime you are doing a 4th or square root, you have to remember there's a positive or negative possibility, which means the 4th root of 16 is whatever number we multiply 4 times to get 16, which is 2. So that would be positive 1/2 or negative 1/2 as possible solutions. But what do we have to do? It's a log equation. What do you always have to do with log equations? Always. To check your answers. So important. I think it's important for you to remember that when you use a root, you have to do that plus or minus. However, in this case, it doesn't serve us. Because if we plug those numbers back into our x value, 1/2 is fine because it's bigger than 0. But what about negative 1/2? Nope. This one's undefined. So you have to look back at the original problem and make sure it'll work. If it doesn't, don't count it as an answer. It's not one. So the only answer for this is 1/2. That doesn't mean you should forget the plus or minus. It's important in other places, right? It's just a general math thing that people forget. They need to not forget.